Shut up and sit down.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Financial Phoenix. I'm Alexis and I am here today to talk about two different deals that you can do this coming Saturday, May 9th at Dollar General, both of which are pretty beginner friendly. They don't require too much know-how. However, if you have never couponed before or don't know what I'm talking about when I say 5 off of 25 deals at Dollar General, go ahead and click our link down below. That'll take you to our basics video. That'll teach you everything you need to know. For obvious health and safety reasons, we recommend that you do not make extra couponing trips to the store just to coupon. However, if you're in need of a way to make money during this time, you should definitely check out yesterday's video on Instacart and how much money you can make doing Instacart, and you can see David's totals from his first shopping trip out. So I will link that there. Let's go ahead and get into those deals. Okay, for this first deal, we're going to start by picking up one of the Aleve. This is the 50 caplet version that you're looking for $6.25. And you're going to use the $4 off of any one coupon on Aleve from the 5/3 Smart Source insert. And this expires on the 10th. It's only good for a week, so make sure you use these coupons. Any one Aleve, and the coupon just wants it to be 40 count or larger. So you could go ahead and pick up this one. You could also get the back pain and muscle that is, back and muscle pain that's 50 tablets. Either one, just make sure it's above the 40 caplet version. Next, go ahead and pick up one of the CoverGirl or liner or eyebrow pencils. Either color. They come in a twin pack and they have this little sharpener with them. You're looking for the $4. This is just a nice filler item. Now, we've bought these in the past. If you don't really want to get another one of these, you could always swap it out for another CoverGirl eye product. Something else, like there's the nice liquid liner here. Just know that you're going to pay more for that. That's $7.50, and you won't get quite as low of an out-of-pocket cost, but that's okay if that's something that you're wanting. But for this deal that I'm going to share with you, we'll just go ahead and get one of these, the $4 version. You're going to use the $3 off digital coupon in our account on that for one CoverGirl eye product. There are paper coupons of these still available if you don't have your digital anymore, so you could use one of those instead. Next, you're going to pick up the Tide Pods. You're looking for the 16 count original Tide Pods. They are $4.95. We're going to use a $2 off paper coupon for Tide Pods from the 5/3 smart, no, from the P&G for this month, May's P&G insert. We're going to use the Tide Pod coupon, and the only exclusion is it can't be 9 count or less. So 16 count works fine. Make sure you have that paper coupon for this item. We're not going to be using this digital coupon because this one is actually for 69 to 75 ounces or Tide Pods 23 to 31 count. And those are going to be adding a lot more to our out-of-pocket cost at the end. So do not use the digital, use the paper version. Next, pick up one of the Schick Classic Ladies Razors. You're looking for this 3-pack. It's $4, and we are going to use this $3 off Schick Disposables coupon. If you don't have this one, same with the CoverGirl, there are still paper coupons floating out there from inserts and from coupons.com for this item. So just make sure that the description matches what you're purchasing. And as always, remember to scan items in store with your Dollar General app to make sure that items that you're purchasing are matching up with the correct coupon, just to save yourself some hassle at the register. Next, pick up the Downy Wrinkle Guard. This is a fabric softener. You're looking for the 25-ounce bottle. This is for $4.50, and we have a $2 off of one paper coupon from the May P&G that works on this 25-ounce bottle. Really nice savings right there. So that's going to make it $2.50. Last but not least, for this first transaction, you're going to pick up one of the Oral-B Indicator Contour Clean toothbrushes. Make sure you're getting the Indicator Contour Clean. That's really important because those are one of the few toothbrushes that actually work with this coupon. You're looking for the $2 manual toothbrushes, the Oral-B. and we're going to use this digital coupon here, and see, it excludes several different varieties of the Oral-B toothbrush, but the that's a mouthful. The Indicator Contour Clean does work with this. I've tried it in the past. So yeah, you're going to take $1 off of that, making that toothbrush just $1. Your subtotal for this first transaction is going to come to $25.70 before tax. And then after all of your coupons and your 5 off of 25 come off, don't forget to clip your 5 off 25 coupon, your out-of-pocket cost is going to be just $5.70 or just 95 cents per item. And that cannot be beat, guys. That is crazy. Moving right along, for this next transaction, you're going to go ahead and pick up 2 of the Bic pen packs. You can get the black or the blue version. And again, this is something that you could pick up highlighters, you could pick up the extra strong mechanical pencils, but you're going to pay more for those items. This is just getting you the cheapest version. So you can pick up 2 of the Bic pen packs. They're $1.50 a piece, so $3 for both. And we have this digital coupon for $2 off of any 2 Bic writing instruments, so that's going to make them just $1 for both. Next, we're going to get some trash bags, and those are so hard to coupon for. I hope they keep this coupon going for a while and we can keep getting some more trash bags to stock up on. We're going to pick up the Glad Force Flex Plus trash bags. It's this scented kind, which I absolutely love. I think these are amazing. They are on sale for $6.50, and we're going to use this $2 off printable paper coupon from coupons.com. You can get it right there. I would definitely go ahead and print this off as soon as you can, because high value coupons, nice coupons tend to go pretty quickly on that site and they run out. So definitely get that, making that item just $4.50. Next, pick up the Tide liquid. You're looking for the 37 to 40 ounce bottles. They're $4.95. Doesn't matter what scent that you get. Now, we already got the Tide pods in the last transaction, and in this transaction, we're going to pick up the liquid because we have a separate $2 off of 1 coupon from the May P&G that's going to take $2 off, making this just $2.95. And by the way, I just want to point out that I structured the deals this week so that there are no repeatable coupons. So the coupons that you need to use in the first transaction are different than all of the coupons that you need to use in this transaction, which means that if you have 2 accounts, if you're a 2-person household, or if you have multiple accounts, just different phone numbers that you use, you could do both deals. Or even if you just have a paper 5 off 25 and a digital 5 off 25, you could do both of these deals and not have any overlapping coupons that you need. Next, we're going to pick up 1 package of the Gillette disposable razors. You need to pick up this $5.95 one, this green package. Now, I'm going to show you 2 different coupons here. This first one is what I built the deal with. So this is the 1 Gillette disposable 2 count or larger, excludes sensor 2 count and Venus products. So this is what you could use. This is $3 off, so that would make this just $2.95 for this razor package. However, some accounts got this $3 off 1 pack of disposable razors coupon. Now, there's no size limit on this. When searching online, this $5.95 pack is the cheapest you can find. There might be smaller or cheaper packages in the store, in which case you could try to scan and use this coupon and maybe save yourself a little bit extra. But if you didn't get that coupon, like I'm on David's account right now and he has it, but I don't. So if you didn't get that coupon, you could go ahead and use this one and just go ahead with the green package. It doesn't really matter. If you do get the extra savings, make sure you're still hitting that $25 total threshold that you need to hit, so that your 5 off 25 will come off at the register. Next, we're going to pick up some Tylenol. So go ahead and grab something as simple as the 24 caplets. It's $4. Now you can get the extra strength. I think it also counts for the Tylenol PM. It does not count for any of the cold and flu type stuff. But I'm just going to go ahead and pick up this 24 count of the regular Tylenol extra strength for $4. We're going to use this $2 off digital coupon right there for adult Tylenol PM or Simply Sleep product. Yeah, just doesn't work on the sinus and cold and sinus stuff. Last but not least, for this second transaction, you could go ahead and pick up one of these Gain 15 count of dryer sheets for just $1, or the little mini bottles of fabric softener from the dollar aisle. Either one of those would work. You're going to use this $1 off coupon on Gain Liquid Fabric Enhancer, Fireworks, or Gain Sheets. It does not have a size requirement, so you could go ahead and use that. This has worked for me many times in the past, but occasionally it doesn't for whatever reason, so just make sure that you're scanning. If the coupon for whatever reason doesn't work on those items, you could always pick up like a Gain dish soap and use this 75-cent off coupon or something else. It won't be a freebie and you'll pay a little bit more at the register, but just make sure you're hitting that $25 threshold. That's all we care about. Of course, make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped. Your subtotal for this second transaction is going to come to just $25.45 before tax. And after all of your coupons and your 5 off of 25 come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $8.90 or $1.27 each. And when that includes trash bags, scented trash bags nonetheless, yeah, you're doing pretty good.
Thanks for checking out this video, you guys. If you found it helpful, please leave us a big thumbs up and comment down below. And as always, remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Catch you later.
Shut up and sit down.